Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy L.Nontsiko. Umfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe yalo ya. Tanko. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. So today, guys, I won't say too much. If you have seen the thumbnail, you have seen the title. So this one is a banger. So please stay tuned. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Without any further ado, let's first watch the intro. This one is a banger. Hey yo, what up guys? It's your boy. So now I'm going to fetch this girl. I'm going to fetch this crush of mine, you know what I'm saying? So I told her I'm taking her to the blind date, but I know I'm going to vlog with her and ask her out, you know what I'm saying? So please stay tuned and pray for me to agree, because she's my crush. You know, as guys, we don't date our crush. We usually don't date our crush, so I don't know if you'll accept that, but stay tuned. I beg, guys. I didn't find her, guys. I didn't find her. They said his father tells me that he sent her somewhere. He told me that he sent her in the USAF, to the USAF to buy some food stuff. Probably obviously when she comes back, she's gonna cook. So damn, yeah. This day is cancelled. This day is postponed. So I probably think this video it will drop June, bro. My bad, guys. My bad, cause I tried, guys. She's not available. She's not home. So next time, so you will see by the video next time. I don't know. Peace out. I beg guys. They said she's in the USAF. I don't see her.
Channel
I kept for her. I don't see her. She's not here. She's not here. I can't see her. I don't see her. Bro, I don't see her. She's not here. I don't see her, bro. Oh, let me go and check her in the line. Maybe she's in the line. I don't know. Maybe. Because she's not here. She's not here. Hey yo, I will look for you until I find you. Yeah. Or should I go there? I will look for you until I find you. I beg guys, so I just look at inside the USAF. I didn't find her. She's not here, bro. Where are you? Crash, where are you? Bro, I don't know where. I don't know where else should I go look for her? I don't know anymore. I must look for her somewhere else, bro. This was a blind date video or prank or something, but now she turns it into looking for my crush for the whole day, because I might look for her. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. We'll find her. Nah, we'll find her. I'm telling you, we'll find her. On his way, Lily. Here, guys. So I'ma look for her. So I don't know if I'll find her or what. We'll see. So let's go. Let's get it. I don't know, guys. But I'm angry. I'm angry because I'm looking for her. She told me that we spend the day together today. So I don't know what's going on now. Let's go, guys. So the first place I might look for her to is ShopRite. You know what I'm saying? Because I think maybe she came to ShopRite because they said you save. Maybe it's ShopRite. I'm not sure. So let's go to ShopRite. If it's not ShopRite, Debonair's Pizza or KFC or Steers or the ATMs. We're in the mall, pal. So stay tuned. Right back, guys. So we're inside there, you see. We're inside the shop, right? So let's look for her. She will make me to eat this thing, hey? I will eat this thing, I'm telling you. If I don't find her, I will eat it. I will eat this thing. I will eat this thing. If I don't find you, I will eat it. I beg, guys, she's not here. Let me get out. She's not here. Fuck them. I don't find her. Where she is? Stay tuned. I beg, guys, she's not here. So I'ma look her to the toilets. Yeah, I'm thinking to look her to the toilets. I beg, guys. I couldn't find her, guys. I'm in the toilet now. I'm in the toilet. I can't find her. And I can't get into women's toilets. But I will look for her until I find her. Ain't no ways. Ain't no ways, bro. Let me get out. I'm in the toilet now. But I will find her. Until I find her, we'll look for her. Stay tuned. Where are you? I will find you. I even look for her in the women's shop. Just much that's crazy. Look. In the women's shop, but she's not here. Let's get out. Big guys, we still haven't found her. So the next spot is but I'm hungry right now. And now I'm hungry. I'm thinking to take some food, some lunch, so that I can be strong to get more strength to find her. But I will find you. I'm hungry now. Let me go and get some food. I'm hungry, but I will find her. I will find her. Just bought my food. This So yeah, I'm thinking of EP, and then I will continue look for her. You know what I'm saying? I'll continue look for her. So please be patient with me. I'ma find her right now. So hey guys, so now I'm emptying, guys. I didn't find her. So I'm eating now, and I think I'm tired, bro. I'm going to look to the hood. I'm going back to the hood. I'm Crush, where are you? My crush, where are you? I can't look you for the whole day. I even went to the mall. This is crazy. Yo guys, I'm thinking of closing this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe right now, because I'm sure to look for my crush, I have to shoot for you. This is crazy. The last part now, after here, is to look for him to the hood. After the hood, it's over. I'm done. No, in no ways. I beg, guys. So now I just finished up eating. As you can see, I was eating. Hey, promo video. Can't promote you. So I'm fine now. I'm thinking of leaving and look for her to the hood. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Let's go. Let's get it.
Yo, I have a Bentley, yo. It's a Magenti, yo. Skibeli Bentley, yo. I boogie Bentley, yo. I skibeli Bentley, yo. Sambano Nontsiko.
So I couldn't find her where she lives. So I'm just going home, bro. It's okay. I'll find her one day. I'll look for her one day and I'll find her. Bye. I won't stop until I find you, my crush. If you made it this far, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop such videos. I promise, guys, the next one is a bang. I didn't find him. My heart is so broken, but peace out.